Hi everyone, my name's Juliet and today I'm going to talk about changing your defaults in Scrivener for your corkboard. Have you ever been frustrated that you can't see all the text in your corkboard without scrolling? Well, you can change the defaults. Down in the bottom right hand corner, there's a small icon that looks like 4 corkboard pages. Click on that and you get the default options. You can change the size of your cards and you can change the proportions, the spacing, plus how many cards it shows across the page. You can customize the number of keyword chips. What's that, you say? We're going to park that, and the next video will be all about keyword chips. You can also change the text to a smaller size and fit the cards to the size of the editing page. Many of these things conflict with each other, but that should give you more than enough possibilities to have your corkboard looking exactly how you want it. Check out my other Scrivener videos here, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to know about keyword chips. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.